This time we are going to create this cool button with an icon. Start by inserting the button maxi block and adding the text. Toggle typography and set the font weight to 700. Next, toggle the icon settings and search for the arrow, right to icon, and select it. Set the stroke width to 5. Open the button background settings and set it to disabled. We're going to add a background layer for the canvas. Add a white color layer background. For the padding, let's set it to 0 on both XL and XXL screens. In the height and width panel, enable set width to fit content. Next, we'll add a 100% border radius. Also, enable the border and make it gray. However, we will set it to 0 pixels. We will create the circle element now, and we'll do that using custom CSS. The content should be empty. Let's set the display to block. We are going to add a solid 3 pixels border, setting the color to inherit so it's inherited from the settings. Let's set the height to 60 pixels. Aspect ratio 1 will automatically set the width equal to the height. To make it a circle, the border radius should be 50%. Now let's make it absolutely positioned and 20 pixels from the right. Additionally, we will add translateY minus 50% so it's vertically centered. Finally, add z-index minus 2 so that the circle displays behind the arrow in the text. Actually, a better place for the circle would be before canvas. Let's paste our CSS there. We will remove the button border then and add it to the canvas instead. Toggle the transform settings now and select the Translate tab. Choose the button, and for the hover state, let's move it 10 pixels horizontally. Now we have this cool hover motion. Maybe it's too much. Let's make it 8 pixels instead. Go to Canvas, Border, and Hover State. Make the border black on hover. Let's make things just a bit bigger on XXL screens. We'll increase the size of the icon as well and spacing also. Now everything should be perfect. Let's see what we've made now. Looks good. Thanks for watching.